An okony garche manyal ga nasir che nere ndi al noir kwan ji kuchen je ner jina ba kamal jina bur kamal jina tiang kamal gawer che ner ane jina ba kamal jina bur kamal jina tiang kamal launwer burshar che ner ane ja ba kamal ja bur kamal ja tiang kamal Jekany with 3 group. Gajok, Gagwang, Ugajak Chener. Men bala de Toroko a piece of history for young Nuer. Ko bronga chijinga. You will see doc community written down as a topic. The Nasser incident. I have a reason for that. All now on social media since yesterday Kadung Doc. That's Doc community where the Toriang Michel came from. They declared themselves for the government of Jiang Kume Jiang. Uchana chana nong roll medit Kadung Doc. And there is argument. That's Riang Michel guardian. I got dog. Nagana go dung riang mai char. Kid dog here mat jang. They betrayed their own son. Well, that argument could be right, but I'm here to reject that. Nor chai na go dung riang mai char. Kan ye na go wud jang ne me Salvakir or me John Garang. Kan ye na go dung riang mai char. Nakaye ko ke noire nakaye ke chon noire naka noire ke chon noire. It has nothing to do with Riang Machar, and I have a good reason for that. 1984 when Woodjang John Garang decided to kill Samuel Gaitut, Riek Machar was in London. Riek Machar moved to London. Riek Machar can mafi. When Gajak were killed, Gajak were genocide by Denka government, John Garang. Riek Machar was in London. Kan Gajak nak kedung Riek Machar. Cha Gajak nagala kenwar. They were killed because they were. They were killed because they were. Che dung riang machar, che dung dok. Gajak were killed in 1984, 85, 86, 87, 88, until 1989. Peace agreement signed. Kamanyani too can SPLA. So Gajak were not killed because they from Doc. They were killed because they were. Chaganaga Woodjang because they Kanwar, Nakanwar, Kachonwar. Some will get it a wood log. Some will get it a wood log. Dama che wood binteo. They kill him too. A mere dung dog wale chigalo declare la jikuma. Let's look in Tariq. Zol can cattle. It's not the first time Zol can cattle Gajak. Ramichi Gajak nuk a William Yon Gadnoire. It's not the first time for that to happen. Ramichi Gajak nuk. Zol can cattle Gajak. Someone who murder Gajak. Children, women. A Gadnoire, William Yon. Pauline Metif was not from Doc. Pauline Metif, che wood jacan, or wood logger. But ya noir nuck, kishon noir. Domunal can bog to not be benteo, the riag my char, ten, Jeremy years of Pauline Metif. Riag my char, ten, Jeremy years of Pauline Metif. Catallo yal, but I talk joke, God Christian, Chaganuck, kishon noir. Chaganuck, kishon noir. Kanganuck, kishot Pauline Metif. Kanganuck, kishot Pauline Metif. Chaganuck, kishon noir. Domunal can got the shackle, my guy jack again, William one. Someone who was killing Gajak Ganwara William one. Someone that was killing was used by Denka to kill Quichem. The Riak Mishar himself. Riak Mishar himself waged a bad war again. Quichem. It's just to remind you that China kadung no kadung Riak Mishar or dung for Linamate dung Nagajigo Jinwar. That's it. Nazar incident can you knock kadung Riak Mishar? Chay knock ko Jinwar. If there is argument that Naganwar wal kadung Riak Mishar, then you need to think twice. You need to rethink, reset your mind that Chai knock kadung Riak Mishar. Riak Mishar jare jwale. Changa jay knock Finazar Riak Mishar jare juba. Che dung Riak Mishar. A mentation. It is a program been programmed by Denga community to eliminate your power or to eliminate you through other people. Denga ma bajile nwergade, lakin Denga into many ways. Baran they can lie to you, they can manipulate you, and then you will go fight with Nwer. Chayanuk Fikorwako for many years by a Denka military that were deployed by Jolton without salary. Che dung Riak Mishar. Che dung Riak Mishar dung jani. It is all about Gola that's doc. They declared themselves so they will not fight the war. Relax. Kor Bishop Kadok. Relax. Back down. Come to your own window. Till the noir man knock of Juba. Till the noir. Naganwar was go noir. It is just a matter of time. Let's look into Nasser County. Nasser County. They are mal can badaw Michela. I didn't go talk among the Nasser County. Chia Lang County. Chia Maywood County. Chia Longishaw County. Nasser County. I didn't go talk to her young. I didn't go to young door chop. The door pal. Then what happened? They went from Nasser and then they kill people in Olam. Chana wona kolam. Lana she dung Nasser, a dung noir dial. Whether you like it, you don't like it, it is up to you. But I'm go noir. Chicken Nasser pull, they went to Lang to kill people, to use air power. Bombarding Ulang for no reason. But there is reason for Denga. Kanwar. Dan chika jen munulang chika wa pangak. Chana wana for pangak. Neme de la dung riang mishar. Riang mishar jaga juba. Riang mishar jakel ke jang for juba. Mboko na rianyal min Nasser lo lang le pangak de la dung riang mishar. Now, she don't bring me here. Men go noir. When they're done with Nasser and Olang and Pangak, Chaganuk, Jelnari Dor, Chadwell Chut, then they came up with paper like this, white paper. Thus, among 16 counties of Nuer, there are 7 counties that are hostile to the government, enemy of the state, according to them. Akin dama denga yo galo de ili lomoro denga bisilamu le zoltani badil kam ramadan. Denga is working through people. Denga is fighting Nuer through people. Kur Nuer ja de on jang Denga brau de chani jile Nuer never, but Denga will fight Nuer through people. Jabu warga kadu fiyet but ili lomoro. That's among 16 counties but Nuer there are 7 counties hostile to the government. I say we not read what the fuck it is. What are they talking about? Those who couldn't fight from the government, they speak out loud. Those of everybody in the government, Lano, it was a surprise. Michael Adebata Nasser, Dur, talk of Nasser, why? Job 7 county with Anwar. What 7 county have to do with Michael Nasser? But men go noir. Whether you like it, you don't like it, they will bring it to you. Then what happened? Shikala became between 3 counties. 3 counties. Nazar County, Ulang County, and Panga County. They fought a war while Nuer, they were just watching. Nuer, they were just watching. Bullshit, they were just watching. Gajak watching. Bentil watching. Everybody's watching. Then what happened? When they know that Gajok Opangak Ushilang Chinyiliat, they have no power anymore, they control them, then they went to Law. That's Lauzaru, Neural County is hostile. Akoba County is hostile. Oror County is hostile. Walga County is out by Lilyaman Matindaro. Dungjani che Dungwar. So those of Law that pretended that they were in peace. That a roller coach, which you look at here, but roll coach, still a core, still a move. Jolly Ria Guy Cook. Between SPLA IO, my SPLA IG, Kadung Salam. When they went back from SPLIO control area, what the fuck it is? Jani roll coach Jani. Tele roll coach because Mago Noir. Che dung riak mai char. Che dung kui chen. Che dung pangak. Che dung law. Che dung jikan. And Mago Noir kelew. Then Law said, you know what? Fuck it. We will fight in self-defense. Chaga Kukor, Law, they don't want to fight this war, but Chaga Kukor, whether you like it, they will bring it to you. Whether you like it or not, they will bring it to you. And now, what happened? Law is fighting in self-defense. So now, Oror, Nyerol, Akoba, Walgak, Nasser, Olang, and Fangak. Mayut galuman maidu manchela chaga bog renyal. Long show galuman maidu manchela chaga bog renyal. Ne me de la dung riak machar. No, che dung riak machar. Mango noir. Che dung riak machar. Che dung dok. This has nothing to do with one section of Nuer. It is just a matter of time. What we call in English, it is just a matter of time. It will come to dok. Just like it happened in Pigajak, Wussel Bibintiu, 1984. Wussel Bibintiu. They took military to Mayam County, that's Fiaja Banaro, Al Tawaro, La Bugulu Chunumbe, English. Way to control Mayam. So, by a look, you know how to take social media, ka dung riang machar, ka dung dog, ka dung nasar, ka dung ngani, palaye. You know, court talk of nasar, uja yegre la ogata, che dung riang machar. Me dung riang machar, jaga juba. ngu de ga nak de ga bogre nal ga dong riang mi char ja ga juba riang mi char ma ga be juba lew man be sib riang mi char be juba man ji torop nas e torop nuer motanin da nuer bok tulu de motanin ma sha riang mi char yom white just like 1984 women they already killed Samuel Gaitut but they went ahead on killing nuer always women be jib nuer awe shani shakal ma nuer women jabu lem nuer women jab riang mi char himself riang mi char da jabu riang mi char da na ol ga bi sijinde jabu kan jabu riang mi char jajira mun na dozul kan katal nas be tiu riang mi char ma zol tani riang mi char ga bi sijinde lele de riang mi char kan katal nas supporting danka januar tu kudung danka but riang mi char ya ne wale no, it's not about Nuer. It's not about Kuching. It's not about Gajak. It's about the entire Nuer. So Nuer are up in social media. It is just a matter of time. Dog bigger years the young. Dog bigger years the young. Yom da low can guy the mind the business low years the young ta. Low years the young ta. Choose now very long at her. Lao did not declare a war on them. SPLIO and Lao did not declare a war on them. They maintained their peace and their coolness. What happened? They brought the war to them. It's not about particular section of Nuer. And Mago Noir. You know? And always, they will have Nuer to kill Nuer. She made it. But in the end, Nuer will win. Nuer will unite. In the end, Nuer will unite. After they killed Samuel Gaitut, they went on random killing people at Nuer. In 1989, Nuer unite and Nuer Amal Salam. Maukuma Tadenga Dare. Some people will say that Nuer will never have a unity. You are lying. I'm a living witness. Ana mabam jimal tawil. Ana mabam jimal bayit. Ana mabam jibal penye doro be jiskam. Mal to balga unity fra Nuer. Demunal kan uru la nono bi penye doro be jiskam. De uyual tang de mun wen. Uyual tang mun law. Our governor fi penye do de uyual tang. Uyual tang you can just for those who are saying that Nuer will not unite. You are lying to yourself. Let Tarik with Nuer by SPLA. Sooner or later, Nuer will unite. Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond. Nuer unite in 2013. But before 2013, take a J. Pauline Matip, J. Riang Machar, J. Gordon Kong, J. Munu. But in 2013, Nuer become one. It is not impossible. By a major warning, Kor Kam Noir Karo Jen Ariak. Yarok with the social media dung dog. Who declared themselves, who did not declare, let them go. They will come back. They will never be accepted by Denga. Never. Denga is just using them. Time will come when they will say, enough is enough, but don't let your man down and get packed. Nay, the jail girl, Kuma Wale. And it's still a new armor, no young. It is just a matter of fucking time. So, Chara no, ngang number social media, dog sugar gut, Nakana, Dung Riang Machar, no, Riang Machar is not a problem. Riang Machar is a victim just like anywhere. Riang Machar is a victim just like anywhere. Just like Samuel Gaitut was the victim, Abdalachol was the victim, Kongchol was the victim, Paikang was the victim, Benson Quine was the victim, Pauline Matip was the victim. You name them. It's not the first time. This been done by SPL for some reason. SPL is scared of Nuer. For some reason. I will tell you about SPL the Robo Nuer ma the Robo Zoltani. I will tell you about SPL if you build from the Robo Nuer. The best down SPL much I the SPL is going in Nuer. The Arab. The Robo Nuer. I will tell you about SPLA fi Juba. I will tell you about SPLA fi Juba. Drop Belner. Juba. Drop Belner. That's it. This is history. Lo Ukuma about SPLA de ma begero. Nuer will live in survival mood always. Lana out of nowhere, SPLA will find a way to fight Nuer. Out of nowhere, SPLA will find a way to fight Nuer. I will talga, but SPLA pe bilfam. Darabube Nuer, Samuel Gaitut. I will talga, but SPLA pe Juba the government. Darabube Nuer fi Libino Talataja. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Che dung section, the dung Nuer Gelu. But let me tell you, those who are today celebrating this unity with Nuer, Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond. Nuer will unite and Nuer will respond. Do you think Tabandenga is happy in Juba seeing this slaughtering of children? Do you think Tutkau is happy? Do you think Kunfoj is happy? Do you think Ngwen Minchil is happy? That's Nuer Boktulu, the Nuer God Mokuma Zaru. Le Boktulu Nuer God Mokuma. Chana Magor Noir. Denga Katal Suta never fi Malakal. Denga Afadam. Katal Suta never fi bought to Malakal. Sika Jeriak Mishar. Kaji Kuma. Kaji Kong Chorale. Chaga Nagajang. A Magor Yang Mishar? No, a Magor Noir. Le Kataluman fi Bodet. Then that's what Okuma. Le Kataluman fi Bodet. Then that's what Okuma. And you think Nuer will guard for Juba is heavy. It is just a matter of time. Everything has a time on it. Everything has the time on it. When can time ben? Not banal log you to you going where, you going there, you going there. But you but time ben keep the Noir will unite. Noir will unite and Noir will respond to this government. That killing Nuer will guard for Gava, my Nuer will guard for you. The entire Nuer community. Native Bogarian Alfolanga Kuma. Native Bogarian Alfolanga Olang is under Ukuma. Why should they use air power for Lang? Kangan the Yen Lang, SLIO, no. Native Bogapuolanga Kuma. Olang under Ukuma. Nasser under Ukuma. Maywood under Ukuma. Langajok under Ukuma. Why should you use air power? Fimal Lede. But they're looking for Nuer. It doesn't matter. You are with the government. You are with Munu. By Ijek. Naga Noir, the short Noir. By a deal work in there, Nazagan, Nuzwan, God with social media, near Noir. You are very young. You don't know, Tarek, but I'm not Del Manuel. You don't know. Loitakan God for Tang 1, 1988, 87, 89. Before it's too back up, you will see the living condition between Nuer Pitao Court. And then you will tell me, if Nuer ready or not, like Gadamul contribution Kabire, Lano, it's a budget fee, Jogmir in a day, the other with SPLA. The other with SPLA with Jogmir, the SPLA. They are taking Nasser, Min Jogmir, Sula Kulu God with Jogmir, Zakira Kulu God with Jogmir. I'll capture budget go with Jogmir. And you will think these people, they will be respected. Like when you come to Itang, and you go to South Court, where there's a population Nuer, and you will be surprised. While William Nyon is there, while Riek Machar is there, everybody is there, Tabandenga is there, they are well with Itang Zaro. Just imagine. Tabandenga is there, they are well with Itang, while his family condition, without court. Anona kan gadi Malta musajidin Pitao Code. Yal Sukarin Jammer, Malta Jammer. Ukidiji temje fi Malta, Nuer little god, Nuer Budgie fi Idara fi Itang, Idara Talajin. Mala baby Dura baby Bara and Ade, Wukidade Dura de, Shwelda Dura de Talada Biro, 1 birr and a half. Nuer got a leg at that. That's Nuer got a leg at that for Gadamnazar. So I'm go Noir. So let's look in unity with Nuer. Look at usual tang fi Fenido. Can't feed this unity? Mafi, Nuer can guard white was under usual tang. Then usual tang shallow para Jabu John Jog Jabu. The same way Nuer fi under unity. Look at the leadership of John Jog. Look at the usual tang Nas guard mal white. Look at the John Jog Nas guard mal white. Dan jabu tut gar chai na lisa gadu malwai u yual tang min law jon mi ok min ga jok tut gar chai min ga jak wenu ma be disunity nuer gadu malwai so nuer ba mat nuer lazim will unite one day. Don't waste your time be kalama el bogulu dale ajen ta nuer ka spele de ma chi jo long na ju tutu de ma chi but soon ba dung jana mo japet. Now, no, Denga is not just killing Nuer much, they're killing people within the government. They're targeting people there with the government. I shall do Denga belit kef. Denga belit akar gebila belit. The guy the boktul Nuer guy mokuma, and you think Nuer will go quiet. And you think Nuer will go quiet. It's a guy that of Nuer batayara, the guy vigaba, all the guy that of Nuer zaro, it is a guy that of Nuer guy for kuma. Batayara. Nuer magadibiu. They know what they're doing. Now the guy they know what they're doing. They are the same people unite in 1991 and they respond kai Nuer. Nuer al-kan samaru fitang. They were used by John Garang again Nuer, again Gajak Dade, again Bentiu, again Gajok. Gala nyanya tu, but some Nuer could die nyanya tu. Salam lazim jibu Nuer by force. Lazim jibu Nuer PS by force. What happened in 1991? Nuer Kulu, Riang Machar, Munu, they unite under one umbrella and they respond to Denga. Denga got the core lele. Denga got the core lele. But not Jabu Junubu Sudan. For 2000, 2002. Salam Shamal, 2005. 2006, Nuer got Amalo Rabat. Nyagat, unconfirmed. Nyagat, unconfirmed. What is it? God is cheating muje ita folin metif. That's woman believing. Woman ma bari bin talim. Woman mind wa ya. Nuer bas could no big about bas. They kept quiet. They kept quiet. God is cheating woman 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. Then SPLA Nuer guys, you know. Anana, we have to achieve our goal. We have to achieve our goal. You know Sudan. We have to act like Denga and Egypt, you know, Sudan. Nana Denga Bakarabo, Denga the coward, Denga Barjana Arab. Ila Nuer Jabara, as we ever win, as we ever pass. Ya comrade, Kalete give mana. Bernard Gum for election day, ya comrade, Kalete give mana. As we ever win, as we ever pass. Denga Galia, as we ever Nuer because Samarokalas. Then do like that. Then Denga continue with your garbage for Juba. 2011, 2012. Then 2013, they went on killing Nuer randomly for Juba. What happened for Alenil? Nuer respond kai one. Nuer the tarikh da Nuer kulu respond kai one. Wa fadang de kori, bur kori, ma bizol ma kori. Nuer kori for Juba, udenga kori for Alenil. Lana Nuer respond kai one. I don't know kind of bang social media in Nuer Chadag, Nuer Dog, Nuer shut they went. The tarikh for Nuer. My Nuer ma got a pretty muchagal. Kalam salam, they always buxum Nuer. Finas of Bogolia Kwana, why they doing us like this? Let's do this. Yellow about us, Bogol, all on a minute. All on a minute. But don't you what you pick, but time is not yet. Time is not yet. Time is not yet. Kadung time is not yet that the Nuer buxum. Nuer be shitted. Dole Mishi Barao, Dole Mishi Madanga, Yella Danga, Bukun Muksu, like today they're collabing. They're collabing out like Nuer and now they shitted Nuer. Then what happened with 2013 when Nuer United they respond for Alenil? Alenil waga kulu. Alenil waga kulu ila salbakiram ki pare salam. Tangot. Raja na Raja salbakire tangot. Yam da lori yang mi shargala na mader tangot. Yang mi shargal mum suk floide. Salbakire inta kalas. Lakin gedung tangot, dung salam. Ajal lari Nuer salam. Don't blame yourself. Nuer bamat. It is just a matter of fucking time, what we call in New York here. But the kind of social media, dog shit again, wagani, dog wagani, baga garjang. No. Dog wagani. Turka on da ukid, Turka o mashi katal galwak. Arag was there. Turka ja torodu de cliff. Man when mintil, torodu de cliff. Larry your malele when mintil mind the trouble. After killing people. What about the Siben boy? What about the Siben boy? Killing of Nuer defending Denga from. What happened to him? Shh, ask good bus. It is just a matter of time. Nuer will respond by one family. La na sa de naga ni nuer ka lu. Nuer ma jël ka kuma naga je. Afa da ngene terrorizing nuer. Everybody terrorizing nuer. Nuer agad ma kuma o nuer agad bara. Chaya nak ka dung riang ma char, chaya nak ka dung dog, chaya nak ka dung jagay, dung bul, dung gajok, dung gajak, dung lok, nak nuar ko nuar. That's it. Nuar. For some reason, Denga is very jealous. SPLA is very jealous of Nuer. But there is no SPLA without Nuer. SPLA de foundation but SPLA de Nuer. Foundation but SPLA de Nuer. Foundation but Anyanitu de Nuer. Mafia aja ba malu fi junu budu Nuer. Ajat kulu fi finger friend da Nuer. Salam al gade kalamo alele. Al gade tarado Nuer. Gade ajade amalu da de. Shalo ajat ariyang mishar shalo bara. Shalo zirrifa bara. Ola njabo galo ma bijibude wale. Malakal shalo bara fiye tariyang mishara sade. Wesen Nikotori shalo bara fiye tariyang mishar. Wesen Bargazal shalo bara fiye tariyang mishar. Riyang mishar shalo besijin. Dan African Union jadan mechi Addis Ababa. African Union gal junuka kaine bang. Riyang mishar ba de loin. Riyang mishar ma fi salam taani fi Africa. Bata junubin. Salam de yo salam al fiu senator riyang mishar. So riyang mishar lazim fugu budun condition budun ayaja. O malakal barjaw le riyang mishar. Wala eta malakal. O wala eta wesen bargazal barjaw le riyang mishar. O wesen Equatorial barjaw le riyang mishar. Unyi jaintain ba mullo zirrifa. Ajata riyang mishar barjaw. Uloma malu African Union will act. Regime change supported by America, supported by UN. I don't know guy bang. The kalam fara saga the guy kalam sel media gal nuar jedak. Nuar wen UN wagi makum. Alele de yoda mudir ra UN filaw. Mudir ra UN jab filaw and he witnessed killing of Nuer, targeting of Nuer by Denka. Denka militia, El Banadu South Sudan people defend us. Lana UN gal ma fi jej bida junub. Jej bida junub de SPLIO da gwelek the Denka defense force fi cantonment. Trained by Sudan. Al Karaju ba saade de jej bila junub. Al gar fi Juba da militia ta denga. De militia ta denga. Al Banano so Sudan people defend for de militia ta denga for gadam UN. Awara ko da UN de militia. Awara ko da America de militia. Jej bila junub Sudan. De jej el bugulu shunu. Unified force de jej bila junub Sudan. Den na ngonga kayne bang jam. Ke so Sudan people defend us. Denga defend us. It is just a matter of time. Galu Riek Machar must be released with no condition. Salam Barjaude, Salam Barda 2018 must be implemented accordingly. Any violation, regime change. Regime change, supported by African Union, supported by UN, supported by America. Alright. Social media. Let them go. They will come back very soon. Denga Batar woman. Denga got a friend Nuer Kulu ma visual white. Therefore, I will leave my video here. Chara knock bang social media. Chara dark bang social media. Visual machine and other Karuman. Let them go. Time will come when they will come back. Salute guys. Thank you.